Sinasabi ng ilan, si Senator Trillanes ay tinitira ang mga Duterte, exposing the Dutertes, pero he's turned a blind eye sa flood control. Diba? At sinabi yun, hindi mo tinira si House Speaker Martin Romualdez, si Zaldico, na nahimik ka daw doon.
When all these things happened, wala na ako sa government. 2019 pa yung last term ko. Lahat ng mga aligasyon ko sa Duterte, nakalap ko when I was still a senator. Alam niyo, kung senador ako ngayon, I would have access to information and all that. Maaring tumindig din ako dyan. Kaso, hindi eh. I don't have anything. Wala naman ako mga kontrata ng DPWH o kung ano man. Di ko naman kilala yan si Bernardo. Yun po ang sitwasyon. At hindi naman kailangan lahat ng anomalya sa Pilipinas ako. Di ba? Kung meron dyang ibang tumututok at marami naman nakatutok sa flood control, by all means, go ahead. I will not stop you. Pero dito, kumaga...
You're well-equipped.
Yes, I on the ball ako rito. Kaya kong tindigan lahat ng aligasyon ko sa kanila.
What will happen if the Vice President is not convicted? They need 16 votes to convict.
Let's hope hindi mangyari yan. Ano? At ako naman, kumpiyansa that the evidence will convince the senators na mag-convict. I've seen that happen and it might happen still. Ngayon, ang nakikita ko rito, isang gabay ng mga senador dyan is the pulse of the people. Pag lumabas yung ebidensya at nakita nilang naniwala yung taong bayan sa ebidensya, bababa yung numero niyan sa survey. Pag nakita ng mga senador na wala nang kapag-asang manalo yan bilang presidente, bibitawan yan. Because that's what politicians do. They abandon ship pagka yung ship na yon ay lumulubog.
Senator, at any point in time, sa totoo lang, hindi ka ba natakot? Didn't you want to give up?
Yung death threats, hindi threats, talagang plots. Talagang nakuha natin yan. Hindi naman ako nagkumpiyansa, but was I fearful of my life? Parang hindi naman. I would like to believe na normal ako na tao, hindi naman ako para may death wish. Pero I just believe na kailangan kong gawin yon. Kumaga, I'm a fatalist. Kumaga, bahala na yung Diyos sa akin.
Do you feel vindicated today?
Yes, pero to be honest, hindi ako nagbubunyi because of that, because we're still in the middle of that war we are raging. This mission, hindi to tapos eh. Kumbaga parang that vindication, personal vindication, won't mean anything kung hindi to magre-resulta sa accomplishment of the mission. We have to keep on trying. We have to keep on, kumbaga, being conscious about the environment, about what we're seeing, what we're hearing from these people. Kasi, talagang iisahan ka eh. At malilinlang ka, madadala ka dun sa isang lugar na akala mo maayos yung pala hindi.